All right, guys, so we're back in the 8th Gen SI post HyBrid Racing clutch master cylinder install. And why I did that, I also went ahead and put in their Detent Springs and the transmission. So this will just be a quick review of those. Mainly the clutch master cylinder. I mean, a few of my videos you guys have seen, you know, I missed second or missed third. Those two in general were the bad ones, where basically anything past 7,000 RPM, you had to granny shift it to, you know, shift gears at all. There's a few videos where I got lucky and I was able to shift it, get decent 0 to 60 times and stuff. But for the most part, anything past 7 grand, grind or just lock out. So I had the HyBrid Racing clutch master cylinder kit for a little while. I finally got it installed, and it 100% cured my grinds and lockouts. I got lucky. My tranny is still really healthy. No synchro issues, I'm assuming, because I put the new master cylinder in and it completely cured my grinds and lockouts. I also do run AMS oil, tranny oil, which probably helps. I just changed that also. So I change that every like 20K, which is probably early. Some people might do it sooner, but 20K is it's good oil, so it doesn't break down in that time really. I just like to keep it fresh. But the master cylinder 100% cured my grinds. The car, I mean, it drives so much better. The clutch feels so much better. The stock CMC, the clutch take up was like in the middle, and now with this one, it's like right at the very top. I mean, you don't push it in very far at all, and then you can pop it into gear. It's just so much better for just regular shifting, and I mean, you can flat foot shift or power shift, whatever you guys want to call it, and it's just butter. It's so easy. Where before, power shifting was out of the question. There's no way you could just stab the clutch, not let off the throttle and shift. It would just grind hard. I never really did it because I tried and it just wouldn't do it. So master cylinder, highly recommend that. If you guys have any issue shifting, it's the way to go. Money well spent. I have 0 issues now. As far as the Detent Springs go, huge difference actually. I mean, just the shifting feels so much more crisp and precise. I mean, when you pop it out of gear, or into gear, it just feels like once you get past that gate, if you will, before you pop into gear, once you get past that, it just pops in. Where before, I feel like you had to push it more, whereas now it just really has a nice just feel to it. I mean, the best way to put it, it's a lot more crisp, notchy, which I like. The K series trannies are kind of known for being a little notchy already, which some people may like it, some people don't. I like it, and this just accentuates that. Just makes it feel a little more notchy, a little more precise. Big difference, really. If you guys are, you know, it just really lets you know when you're in gear. So, I mean, they were like 18 bucks or something like that, under 20 bucks. So that's definitely an easy mod. I think it took me 30 minutes to install them. You do have to remove the transmission mount. And on that note, I did do a full DIY for the master cylinder and Detent Springs, and my GoPro took a crap on me. I think it's pretty common. I had never had the issue before, but my the SD card took a crap, so I lost all my videos, so I lost my DIY, unfortunately. And I probably won't do it again. So if you guys are interested in how I did it, I will go through and do like a walkthrough if you guys want to do that. Like, you know, how to, I guess. Not necessarily a DIY, because I won't take it all apart again. But if you guys are interested in that and how I bled the clutch, I can do that. But there'll definitely be more DIYs coming. I got lots more parts coming for this. I'm going to do some more drivetrain stuff, shifter stuff, and suspension. So stay tuned for that. But as far as this video, the CMC, the Detent Springs, especially the CMC, I mean, if you guys have any issues, like I said, shifting, swoop that up. It's money well spent. You got a bunch of money in the motor, you know, car feels quick, but if you can't shift any gears, it's useless. So it's one of the best things I've done to this car. It just feels so much better, so much crisper. I'll put a couple pulls up at the end. I'm not gonna flat foot shift it or anything. I'm gonna get a little footwork going. Oh. Let's see where my launch control's at. See is what it is. I have 0 issues now, so I shifted rev limiter. Highly recommend it. If you're already subscribed, like this video. I appreciate it. I got lots more stuff coming. If you're not, subscribe, and there'll be lots more content coming. All right, I'm out.